Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and let's understand the importance of indentation and spaces in Python. I will be creating a new file and I will be saving this as spaces.py. See, when we write, say for example, print statement 2 plus 2, correct? You put any spaces over there. It doesn't matter. It's totally fine. You can do anything. You can put tab. And suppose I do this. Now let's see. It prints 4. There are no issues with this particular part. It completely works fine. I can even do this. So I can have any number of spaces here. But then if you remember, I cannot have this. So this will give me an error. And that is with respect to the strings, how strings are executed in Python. Correct. But you cannot do this. You cannot have even a single space when a new statement starts. See, if I do this, and now if I run, this will say unexpected indent, and can you see it goes over here. So whenever you have errors for unexpected indent, please take care that whenever you start a new statement, that statement always starts on a new line without any spaces before it. Now if I do this and if I run, it's going to print the output and these spaces just don't matter at all. Now say for example I do this, print and hello. Do you think this will run? Let's see. Invalid syntax. I cannot write this. But what can I do over here? I can put this. See now. It prints hello on a new line. Correct? So basically, if you want, this is a syntax which you will not see in Python anywhere. But I just want to tell you that if you want to write multiple statements on same line, multiple different statements, you can put a semicolon. But ideally, always suggested in Python, whenever you write a new statement, you do not end them with a semicolon, not required, and you always start a new statement on the new line and there are no spaces before that except for few exceptions. Those exceptions we will be seeing as we go on in the sessions. So the moment we go on towards if else and loops and classes and functions, we will see where it is important to have a space before a statement, but in these scenarios right now you cannot even have a single space. So even if you do this, see if I do this and if I bring everything in a single line, it still says unexpected indent. So whenever you start a new statement, it always should start from a new line without any space before that statement. So spaces and indentation plays a very important role in Python depending upon where you are putting the space. It doesn't matter over here, but it definitely matters when you start a statement. That's all with respect to this video. Next video we are going to see what are variables. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.